welcome again. This is Rajan. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to make 1000 to 2000 rupees at least 4 times a week from crude oil. So when I was trading stocks, I was not very consistent couple of years back, but crude oil is something that helped me recover what I lost in equity. So as you can see here in my trading journal, I was able to make consistent money from crude oil every day. Yes, there were some lost day, but I made sure that the losses are very small, and that is the key part of the crude oil. So you must cut your losses very soon and stick on to your profits for a long time. So anyone who trades crude oil knows the importance and the potential it has. So here I personally use Asta Trade for commodities. I mean trading crude oils, mainly because it gives you high leverage. And when I started out, it gave in 2018 I started trading in crude oil, and back then it was giving me like 2500 per lot, which was like a huge deal for me because I had no capital back then. So I was able to convert 2500 into like 12,000 or 13,000 in just 1 week, and then bust out that entire 12,000 in 1 day. So that is because I didn't stick to my stop losses, I didn't cut my losses very soon. So here, when you are not disciplined enough, you will be out of this game very soon. But when you are sticking with the discipline, and when you are sticking with the stop loss and risk management, this has more potential than stocks. Okay, I personally know many people, many of my friends who makes like 20 to 25,000 per day, but this comes from experience. You cannot make money from day one. Practice it. If not now, probably in the future, like 3 to 6 months, you will make 2,000 or 3,000 per day. As I mentioned earlier, I use Asta Trade for trading crude oil. That's mainly because it gives you high leverage. But please, this is a disclaimer. High leverage means a double-edged sword. You have a high chance of making good money and also have an high chance of losing your money. But once you get comfortable with crude oil, I'm very sure you will be able to make good money. So please make sure to use the link below for a quick account creation, and let's get started with the strategy. Hello friends, so last week I started trading again in crude oil after a long time, and I was able to grow the account from 10,000 to approximately 19,000. And so before I explain you the strategy, let me go and explain you how to select the scripts. Okay, you just have to go to the trading view search bar and search crude oil. Select the latest contract, which is this one. Okay, and the other chart that we are going to use is US oil. Normally majority of the crude oil traders use this MCX chart. This is the contract that we are going to trade. Okay, but I prefer to analyze the chart on US oils for some major reason. Okay, I'm going to tell you why. Crude oil starts from 9 o'clock in the morning and ends at 11:15 at the night. Okay, and so as far as crude oil is concerned, each point, if you, let's say you are buying one lot, okay, buying one lot of crude oil at 2574, and you are selling at 2580, a difference of 6 rupees, right? So you will be getting 600 rupees for each point. You will be earning 100 rupees in crude oil. Okay, so if you are booking, if you are entering at 10 rupees, for example, and exiting at 20 rupees, you are making 1000 rupees in crude oil. So let's say you are buying at 2452. This is like 2490. So you just do the calculation. Like if you make like 40 points, you are going to make 4000 rupees for one lot. So for one lot, Asta cost 10,000 rupees. So if you look at this, let's calculate how much point it has given us. Almost 100 points, but it's not possible to cover 100 points. Even if we book 30% of that, 30 points, 3,000 rupees with the capital of 10,000 rupees. So this is how the crude oil works. And I'll explain you why I use US oil. Okay, as we were saying, the crude oil starts at 9 and ends at 11:15 at the night, right? So US oil, okay, crude oil chart is derived from US oil, this particular chart. Okay, if this is moving simultaneously, crude oil will also be moving. So the reason why I use this chart for analyzing is because crude oil chart, sorry, this particular script, I mean the US oil starts at 3, just a second. Let me turn on simple CPR just to see the starting of the chart. Okay, this is where the market begins. So the US oil chart starts at 3:30 and ends at 2 o'clock. If you notice, we are missing out the price action of 3:30 to 9 o'clock, and also 11:15 to 2 o'clock. This is the price action that we are missing in crude oil, and that is why you see huge gap ups and gap downs, correct? So if you compare this fall is being missed in the crude oil chart. The reason why I use US oil is because I don't want to miss out any price action, because in this huge gap up and gap down, I won't be able to draw patterns, right? I won't be able to do the pattern. So that is why I use US oil. If you look at this, you can draw the price action patterns without any problem. And this is the major reason why I use US oil. I've been doing this for at least 2 years and it works fine. I will explain you how to analyze and do the trade in a bit. So last week, okay, I started trading in crude oil. This is where I went long. Where is this? Okay, so this is a small triangle pattern. I'm sure you have seen my last videos regarding the triangle pattern. In case if you have not seen it, please watch it. Okay, so there was a breakout. So this is my risk. So I always keep a 10 to 15 rupees stop loss and enter over here. The minute there is a breakout, I'll enter, and this is where I entered. I entered like at the end of the 15. I use 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and at the end of the almost at the end of the candle, I entered with a 10 rupees stop loss, 10 to 15. So it is subjective. At times I will also keep 15 to 18 rupees stop loss, but it depends on the setup that I'm going to trade. Okay, so I was able to book, like, I don't know the exact amount, but I was able to book the good amount here. And the next trade, this one, kind of a flag, correct? And I entered here again, 15 to 10 to 15 rupees stop loss. I was able to make somewhere around 1500 to 2200. Okay, I don't remember the exact price, guys. I am sure that I posted that screenshots. So and the other trade that I took is, I put an alert on this trend line actually, but since I was quite busy, I didn't enter exactly at this breakout, but I entered here exactly at this point and I closed it here. So my stop loss was 10 rupees exactly here, and I was able to book 2400 or 2400 rupees in this particular stock. So here you might ask me, Rajan, this is like dollars, they are in dollars and the crude oil is in rupees, so how do you trade on this? Okay, it's very simple. I just go with the market price. Okay, I look at the US oil and go to the Asta trade brokerage, and I'll put a market order sell and keep a 10 rupees or 15 rupees stop loss. Okay, so sometimes I do look at crude oil to have a look at the current price. For the entries, you can have a look at the crude oil. Okay, for 25, let's say if I have to enter at 2574, you can have a look at the crude oil and then put even a limit price if you want. Okay, and even exiting, the moment I hit, like I earn like double my risk, I will exit. So let's say I'm keeping a stop loss of 10 rupees. and I'm earning like 15 or 18 rupees, I'll just close the trade. Anything above my risk, I'll just close it. Okay. And if I'll also strictly put a stop loss of 10 to 15 rupees, so please make sure to follow that. Okay. So here if you see, this is where I entered, and I booked like 1400 rupees I guess in this particular move. And yeah, this one, so almost 5 to 6 trades I guess, and totally 9000 rupees profit. I have not seen the brokerage and other stuffs yet, but I just have the screenshots. Yesterday I was able to take up a trade in the crude oil at almost at the end of the market, somewhere around here. I recorded it, so I'll make sure to include that in this video, so you can have a check on as to how to trade in Asta brokerage. Okay. If you look at it, the pivot points will be respected very well, and you can just take trades based on the price action and the simple CPR. Okay. So if you look at this, look at the rejection. Let's calculate how much we could have made here. This is 7:15 on 26th May. Let's go over 26th May. Where is 26th May in crude oil? Okay, calculated. Here you don't have to consider crude oil's CPR. Okay, because US oil is moving crude oil. Do you know what I mean? US oil is happening first, and then the crude oil is happening. So you must always consider the CPR of US oil. So where is that? Okay, how much you could have made is, let's see, a simple 30 points, which is one lot, which is like 3000 rupees. So you are making 30% of your capital. So again, there is a high chance of you blowing an account if you are taking a wrong entry. So please make sure to backtest it for at least a week, but I'm sure you will make good money once you get consistent. So on Wednesdays 8 p.m. at night, there will be inventory data results, and the market, I mean the US oil will be very volatile. So I would request you to not trade during Wednesdays 8 p.m. Probably give it like 15 to 20 minutes break from 8 to 8:20, and then the crude oil should stabilize and then take up the trades. Okay. It is very volatile, and it doesn't always go as per the results. Okay. It is like manipulation mostly. I personally have lost one time. I traded it with 3 mega lots during the inventory data. I thought I would make some money, but in 2 minutes I lost 21,000. So please make sure not to trade during the inventory data. Okay. Right now I'm signing into Asta broker account, so click login and you will be able to see the Asta dashboard. So click that search button and switch that into MCX, then search for crude oil, select that, click that plus button and then buy. So right now I'm gonna buy, so I'm gonna change that into intraday, and I'm gonna go with the market price. So I'm deleting the price and press yes. Okay. So right now I'll be able to see that in the net position. So that is how you buy orders in crude oil. The reason why I went long here is because of that hammer candle in 15 minutes time frame, and also that bullish Marubozu candle. So whenever this happens, the stock or the commodity like this tends to move up very bullish. I'm just looking for a 15 rupees, like 13 to 15 rupees for a 10 rupees stop loss. Let's see how it goes. The market is also, I mean the crude oil also is going to close very soon, so I'm not going to expect much. Let's see how it goes. As you saw here, crude oil did move as per my analysis, so I'm just going to exit my position with around 16 points maybe. Yes, so I just exited with the market position, and I was able to make around 1600, right? So my stop loss was 10 rupees here, because I don't want to risk more than that. So this is how you trade crude oil, guys. That is very rewarding. Please make sure to trade that consistently, at least for 3 to 6 months, and you will get that knack. Once you get that knack, you will be able to make good money. On the other hand, you can also use Asta TradeWave app in your mobile to trade crude oil. Back then, when I used to work from office, I traded crude oil through this app. It is very good and even better when compared to the web app, because it's quite quick. And please make sure to use this app. Okay, please do not forget to like this video, and please share it with your friends or in your group, so that it is very helpful for others. If you have any doubts, let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience.